Alrighty, before the video starts, I want to say that I just launched my brand new Discord. So if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to grow your mind in the financial markets, and just join an awesome community, click the link down below. Alright, let's get to the video. Alrighty, welcome back everybody to another video. Or, another trade recap, another video, same thing. So today, I did not take a trade today. It is Wednesday, June 5th at almost 10 a.m. I did not take a trade today. I didn't really see anything that was presenting itself that really kind of gave me a good idea of like where to enter. I guess today was more of an entry type of thing than it was like I knew where the market was going, but it was more about finding an optimal entry point that I never really got the chance to get to. Also, there was PMI news today, so it was a pretty heavy day on news. So, I mean, yeah, let me just show you guys. Let's get into it. So here we do have, like I always do, I go and I mark out my 15-minute highs and my 15-minute lows. So our 15-minute lows or relative equal lows are pretty much sitting about right here in this 18,700 range is kind of what I was looking for going into the morning. I was kind of looking for those shorts because we were kind of in a downtrend. Well, we were in an uptrend, but I was expecting a slight retracement because of PMI. I thought PMI was going to drive us down to that internal sell side liquidity range, and obviously not the external, because external would be there'd be a lot more movement if we were moving towards external sell side. So, apologies. I'm still getting over being sick a little bit. So, anyways. So here were our 15-minute lows were right here. So my relative equal lows were right here. Here was our sell side liquidity, and then going into the morning, my buy side liquidity zone was actually more on the 1 hour chart. It was more right. I was more looking towards the 770. What is that? What is that? Hold on. 785 range. The 18,785 range is kind of what I was looking for a buy side zone in the or sorry, not this one. That's my apologies. What I was looking for in the morning was the 18,879 range. That's what I was looking for a buy side zone going into the morning, which, as you can see, we did hit. So I was right there. But I'm going to show you why it was kind of a weird kind of section to be in, mainly for the fact that I never got a good entry point, which I'll show you right now. I never was able to really get a solid entry point of how I like to. So even coming over here on the 2-minute chart, this is where we were from market open until pretty much after news at about 7:20 in the morning was this whole area in here. It didn't do anything, obviously, because that is pre-news. Usually pre-news, there's not very many things that go on. There's not a lot of volume. People just kind of wait until news comes in. And then we had this news candle come in right here. It dropped us all the way down about 60 point. It was about a 60-point candle. So a pretty heavy candle. But it didn't really do what I wanted it to do. What I wanted it to do was have the market continue downwards to this sell side zone, but obviously we needed to take buy side first. But I wasn't looking towards buy side because we started to form liquidity a little bit up here and then rallied us obviously higher. So I was looking for the markets to go higher after this, after I saw that we weren't going to go any lower based on the PMI candle and a lot of the wicks and things like that. So coming into the 1-minute chart, when I was sitting here, it was really forming. I mean, it was just kind of doing nothing, like right here in this range for about 15 minutes or so, and then it started to shoot up. But as you can see, there's really no point of entry that looked good to me. There was nothing I really saw that gave me that confluence of, okay, like I need to, get in now. Like now's a good entry point. There wasn't really any of that. Like there was nothing bounced off an order block. Like there was just really, it was more of just a straight up movement, which isn't what I want to see, right? I want to see a retracement into a fair value gap. I want to see a touch into an order block. I want to see, a turtle soup entry or something along that lines, and I really didn't see any of that at all. And then after this, like the market just kind of flattened out. As you can see, we went up a little more I think we went up like another, yeah, like 60 points or something like that, and then flattened out. And even still here, there's no entry points, right? There's just nothing I really wanted to see, or there's nothing I really saw that kind of gave me that level of confluence in order to trade. So, not trading is okay. So don't forget that not trading is 100% okay. It's okay to not trade because, well, not trading is good because that just means you didn't lose any money. Yeah, you didn't make any money, but you also didn't lose any money. So, that's always a good part about trading in itself. The only entry that I really could have seen was this 5 minute right here. I guess this 5 minute would have been a really solid entry to take right here, because then I could have caught like my 30 points and I could have gone on about my day, which would have been, yeah, right here, 30 points. Could have got my 30 points and left. But I just didn't really like the way it looked. It wasn't a super solid setup to me, especially for the fact that it came down and wicked the fair value gap like 3-4 times before even moving to the upside at all. Um, so that's usually not something I want to see. I mean, I guess there is this entry here. Like, I think the market is really going to flatten out for the rest of the day. So I wouldn't worry too much about catching a trade for the rest of the day. It's New York lunch right now at the time of this video at 9:45. So obviously there's not going to be very much going on there. But yeah, I mean, really not much to look out for today. So just kind of scrap today and then go in tomorrow with a new mindset, and hopefully the markets get a little more movement, and I start to see the things that I really like to see. Some of the best movement I've seen all year was back in like March and February. The markets moved really, really well in February and March, and then kind of towards the end of April, we started to just kind of flatten out. It hasn't really been doing a whole lot. I don't know why. If you guys have any ideas of why the market might be doing that, please put it down in the comments below. Just tell me, or give me your ideas, give me your thought process on that. So yeah. But anyways, with that, I will be making actually a video today. I think I'm gonna do a video today on kind of like mistakes that I have tried to avoid that helped me become profitable. So I'll probably work on that video all day long, and then I'll post that video tonight. So yeah, with that, I hope everyone had a wonderful trading day. Whether you won or lost, I hope you learned something, and I will see you all on the charts tomorrow. Peace.